Welcome back to the channel and thanks for checking in. Today we will learn how to highlight every other rows in Excel. To begin, you open up your Excel worksheet, then you select the rows you want to highlight. Let's select all the rows. Now in the Home tab, you click on Conditional Formatting. Select and click New Rows. A window will appear, so you click the last option here to use a formula to determine which cells to format. Then, to highlight rows, in the format values where this formula is true, you click on it and type in equal to is odd, open a bracket, row, open a bracket and close it back, then you close the bracket to highlight odd numbers on the row. Now you click on Format to specify how you want to use the row. To choose a color for your highlighting, you click on Fill. Then you choose whatever color you want to highlight. Then you click OK. And you click on OK again. Now you can see that only the odd numbers are highlighted here with the specified color of your choice. Now to highlight every other rows, let's try highlighting the even number rows. The same format, you click on Conditional Formatting, New Rows, use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now you input the same word, equal to is even this time, open a bracket, row, open and close the bracket, then you close the bracket. Format, you fill and choose the color you want, so OK and OK. Now you can see that the other rows are now highlighted. So beautiful. So that is how you highlight every other rows in Excel. If you want to remove the highlighted rows, you click on Conditional Formatting, then you click on Clear Rows. You can choose to clear rows from a selected cells or to clear rows from the entire sheet. So that's it, guys. That's how to highlight every other row in Excel. Hope you find this video helpful and informative. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Bye guys, see you in the next video.